What's up? Welcome back, everyone. This is day 3 of Strategy 3, and we're going to get right into it. If y'all enjoy the video, like, subscribe, comment. Let me know how you're doing. Here we go. So I already have some high time frame confluences mapped out. Got some liquidity up here that I would like to tap into, and this is a main form of liquidity that I would like to see get hit. So let's go to the 15-minute first. Today we are going over breaker blocks and OTE again. Here we go. So I'd rather mark out this swing point and this for value gap. We also have this high time frame breaker block. So I would like to short before it gets to there. We already took out this high. Swept it. Broke structure. For value gap reaction. Continues up. Why is it 9:30? Hold on. All right, bro. I gotta redo all this already, bro. I don't know why it does this every time. Every time. It's cool though. We'll just go to the next day. Alright, let's check this out. Crazy. Would you look at that? Nice. Alright, let's mark out this low for future price. Alright, still haven't done day 15. Why are they at 12? Why are they at 12? Bro! What is going on? Dude, I need to go back and see when it does this, because I have no idea. That is wild, bro. Alright. Now we can get started. Jeez, man. Here we go. I just woke up. I mean, it's 8:30 in the morning. I woke up an hour ago. Here we go. What shall we get started with? First, we need to check the time. It's 8:30. Okay. Hourly fair value gap. We have a low right here. And, I mean, there's not much else. I'm going to be honest. Price is slowing down. It looks like it'll be... Cool. Took out that liquidity. Reaction to the fair value gap. Liquidity sweep. Creates another higher high. Breaks structure to the downside. Break structure to the upside. Cool. I would like to trade this. Nice. I will be longing out of this. Fails to create a higher high. Sweeps liquidity. Goes up. Stops me out. Okay. Let's go to the next day. Sweeps this liquidity. Price fills this for value gap. High time frame, we are definitely, or high-ish time frame. So we are bullish on the 4 hour, bearish on the 1 hour, and bearish on the 30 minute, bearish on the 15 minute. Retraces, break structure, no fair value gap yet, no fair value gap. I mean, we sweep this liquidity, retracement, failed to create a lower low, we break structure to the upside. Let's go to the 1 minute. Okay. Move up before the move down. Cool, I'll take this trade. $15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour. Oh, we took profit. Good stuff, boys. Love to see it. There we go. Quick little 1 to 2 RR. Keeps going up, too. Heck yeah. Oh. Calm down. Ugh. Just a quick little dub. We're off there. No, I'm kidding. On to the next day. Let's go. What a dub, bro. I like it. Keeps going up, too. Wild. Higher time frame holds the power. Higher time frame holds the power. We are chasing these highs right here. Cool. All right, 4 hour. We are definitely in an we're in an uptrend. 1 hour, we are in an uptrend, barely. And 30 minutes, we are in an uptrend. Cool. Yeah, on the 4 hour, we're working on it, so. 1 hour. Okay, 15-minute and. Nice. We could count this as an inverse order block or a breaker block. High time frame breaker block. 5-minute break structure. We also have this inverse fair value gap. 5-minute breaker block. I'm just gonna mark it all out. Cool. Market open. Taps the inverse fair value gap. Taps it again. Go up. I want to create a higher high. Holy, this is ugly. This is ugly. What incarnation, dude? Alright, let's hit these lows. I would enter, but we gotta enter off a breaker block. So let's sweep liquidity here. Cool. Swap liquidity. No sweep of liquidity. Alright, now sweep liquidity for me. Thank you. Go up. No? That's a shame. Swap liquidity. Alright, let's get rid of these boxes, bro. It's so ugly. Break structure. Sweeps liquidity again. Fails to create a higher high. I'm about to just take shorts, brother. Like, what do I take? Cool. 3-minute breaker block. I'd rather not look for... I was gonna say longs. But I don't know. High time frame. It says longs. But we also swept this high. Whatever. Let's see how price reacts off of this. Price didn't touch it. Okay, good to know. It should come back up eventually. Not. I lied. Where is price? What incarnation, dude? Dude, what? Alright, lows. Lows. No trade on the 19th day. Cool. Cool beans. Let's go to the 1 hour. Fair value gap. Fair value gap. 30-minute. Fair value gap. Respective fair value gap. Inverse fair value gap. That makes sense. We're looking for longs, G. I want to see a retracement back to right. Bro. There. Of course not, though, right? Alright, the next fair value gap's right here. Price will retrace there. Okay, how long if this gets touched? I doubt it will. Huh. Respected fair value gap. I guess I'll look for shorts unless it reacts off this fair value gap perfectly and inverses. There's too many confluences down here. Like, I want to see longs. It's already too late in the day. Day 20 was a no-go. 21. Low. Liquidity sweep. High time frame breaker block. What incarnation, bro? Oh, that was the trade. Bro, I was gonna... Why didn't I take that? Day 21. No go. Inverse for value got 1 hour, we're bearish. 4 hour, we're bullish. 30-minute, we're bearish. 15-minute, we are bearish. Consolidation, we get a breakout. Breaker block, retracement. Let's see if price... That's too pretty. I know that's a fair value gap on the 1 hour from years ago, but that's too pretty. I gotta be looking for longs. I would usually short, like I would like to short this, but it's just too pretty for a long. Cool. There's the reaction. I can long now off the breaker block. We'll put our entry at equilibrium. How about them apples? Alright, we're in. We're out. Okay, never going against high time frame again. This fair value guy doesn't matter much. It only retraced to the area of consolidation. It's so lame. I guess this will be our low. So will this. What? Cool. We're about to trade this 1 hour breaker block. There we go. Failed to create a higher high. No thank you. Break structure on the 1 minute. No retracement whatsoever. Just straight dips. I'm about to just trade this breaker block. The one that was invalid 2.5 years ago, bro. There's nothing. I'm not gonna find crap in here. On the 1 hour, we are bearish. So, yeah. Price reacts off of this. We're just gonna call this a breaker below. We're just gonna call it a breaker, honestly. Cool. It's validated. Nice. You know what that means? Shorting. What? No way, price reversed there. Why? No reason. No reason at all. Oh my gooseness. Alright, day 16 was a loss. Day 22, here we go. We are inside a weekly gap and I would like to fill it ASAP. All right. In the 1 hour time frame, we are bullish. 4 hour, we are bullish. 30 minutes, we are bullish. 15, we are Bearish. Reaction off of that. I'd like to break structure to the downside before we short. We're just going to keep breaking structure to the upside, so I will be looking for a long. Oops. Breaker block reaction, I am longing. Let's keep going up. Let's go to here. We'll take profit there. Alright, day 22 was a dub. Nice. Good stuff. Price then takes out every single low that I marked out. Cool. Let's delete all this stuff. Yeah. Oh, wait. That was the last day, huh? Well, alrighty then. That was it. I appreciate you guys. Again, if y'all enjoyed the video, or if you didn't, still like the video for your boy, and subscribe. That'll mean a lot. I appreciate you. Have a good one.